Get a feel for the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety, the Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows. Make excellence your personal standard. Choose the Tucson. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.